Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. That is a system error. So first method is check Windows update. So click to start and then click to setting, then click to Windows update. So any KB series, any update pending in your system. So firstly download and install and then restart. Then you follow the next method. Okay. Next solutions. So next click to start, type photos, right click to app setting, scroll down, firstly click to reset and then click to repair. Close. Perform clean boot. Next solution. So Windows R, type msconfig, then click to OK. Services, hidden all Microsoft service and disable all. This is not required for the system, that's why we have to disable. Okay, then click to apply and then click to startup. So if any unwanted software the startup showing here like this, that is a startup, so you have to disable it. Okay, then click to and exit without restart. Then next solution,
Then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth command also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.